We have to know that generating leads today is different than generating leads 3 years ago or 5 years ago. Attention span continues to go down. So you cannot use some kind of a traditional method to generate leads. I can send postcards and get their attention, but guess what? It's disconnected from their device, which they need to use to go to my website or pick up the phone and call. So I have to somehow, this is why I'm so bullish on digital, I got to somehow get this message to them in the device that they're used to doing things. If I show a phone number on a TV, I still need a phone. If I could just talk to the TV and say, hey, TV, call that number, and then TV starts calling, then guess what? I made it easier for my consumer to reach out to me. Do I want them to click and go to my website? It's right here. Do I want them to call me? It's right here. Do you see what I'm saying? Do I want them to message me? It is action, right? I want them to take an action. Direct response. What can they do? How can they respond? Can they tap and then chat with a live agent? Great. And again, I talked about the ability to get somebody's attention. It's just not as easy as it used to be because their attention span is getting worse than goldfish. Long form content is gone because now I can watch hundreds of TikTok videos in the span of 10 minutes. Guess what? I think I'm going to pick up more time on TikTok, right? Because I can go through so much more in the same amount of time than one 45-minute YouTube video lecture from whoever it was.